Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to play the sequence by One Man Band. It's a really great puzzle game. I like it a lot. I've been playing it for over a week now and I still didn't finish it, so it's very long too. I'll post links in the description. You got your paid version and also a light version where you get some levels for free, so you can try it out and see if you like it. So let's dive right in. So I'll teach you the game through the last level I solved, which is this one. All right, so let's see what we got on the screen. How I show you? All right, I'll just use one of these modules as like a mouse. So you got your build mode where you sketch or you build your design. Yeah, you got your sequence mode where you run your design to see if it works. Yeah, you got your hint button. Yeah, you see this. You can get hints. As you can see, I got 10 hint points. I really don't like to use hints, and you got the menu. In the menu, you can change the the volume of the sound and of the music, and you got reset modules. If you build some design and you don't like it at all, then you can hit the reset modules and it takes it all the models out of your sketch. All right, so what's this game all about? Again, this is like just like a mouse here. Yeah. So you got this starting point. It's called the generator, and inside the generator you got a little white glowing circle. It's called the binary cell. Yeah, and this endpoint is called the collector. Yeah, and your goal is to move the binary cell from the generator to the collector using those modules that you have here. Yeah, that's your work tools. The numbers under the modules specify how many modules you got of each kind. So as you can see, we got for this level 2 of this, 1 of this, 2 of this, and 1 of this. Yeah. Now, if you press each module, it tells you what it does. Yeah. So you got this one, you got this one, yeah, you got this one, yeah, and you got this one, yeah. And if you take a module and put it on the sketch, yeah, and you press it, yeah, you mark it, then you get a menu for this specific module. Yeah. So let's go from left to right here. This one is its serial number, which you can change. I cannot change it right now because it's the only one on the sketch. Yeah, but if we put both of them, yeah, then see this is number 1 and this is number 2, and I can also cause this one to be number 2, change this one to be number 1. By the way, if they both have the same number, I'll go to sequence mode and I'll immediately get a failure notice that sequential numbers should be unique. That is because the modules work one after the other. They cannot work simultaneously at the same time, and the serial number represent in which turns it work. Yeah? So it will be 1 and then 2, and now it can work. Yeah, now I can hit play and it works. You don't see anything happening because they don't have anything to work on. Yeah, this module, like it pushes. Yeah, it pushes. If I'll put it under it, under the second model, you see it'll push it. Yeah, so you can see the way it works. Now let's stick with that for the module menu. These you can turn the model counterclockwise, or you can turn it clockwise. Yeah, this is reverse polarity. This you can reverse the action of the module. If it's like this, it'll, for this specific model, it'll push. Yeah, so let's I'll try to show you. Now it's in push mode. It pushes. Of course, now it gets stuck because it pushes one binary cell onto another binary cell. But you can see how it works. And if I'll put it here, yeah, and direct it towards the generator and hit the reverse polarity. Yeah, now it will be in pull mode. Let's check it out in the sequence. You see, now it pulls. Yeah, all right. So this is this. Well, what else we got? Oh, we got the question mark that tells you what the module does. If you don't like, if you want to get rid of it back out of the sketch area, yeah, then you hit the dump button, yeah, and it takes it back. And if you're done, you hit the V, and it brings you back to the modules, the rest of the modules you have to work with. Alright, so we also saw what this module does. Let's see what this one does. This one, it turns, yeah? It turns and it grabs what's in front of it and turns it, yeah? So it can grab this module, yeah? And it can turn it, yeah? And if we reverse its polarity, it will turn it the other way around. Yeah. By the way, each module can act on another module or on the binary cell as well. I'll try to show you how the circle works on the binary cell. If we this is a mistake, let's see it, because we can learn something important here. Now it doesn't work. The circle doesn't grab on the binary cell. Why is that? That is because the serial numbers are not correct. This is number 1 and this is number 2. So first this will turn and only then this will push, but by the time the binary cell will get here, the grabbing area is already here. What we need to do is flip the serial numbers. Yeah, we want this one to be number 1 because it pushes first, and only then the circle module will grab and turn. Let's see it right now. Yeah, and it works. By the way, of course, if we reverse its polarity, then it'll grab and it'll turn it the other way around. All right, so let's see what this little fellow does. This one rotates a module on its axis at the same location. Yeah, so if we push it here, you see, well, it's got no place to turn, so let's just put it here, and you see that it turns on its axis. Yeah, now it pushes it because it got but that wasn't the purpose. Let's do the pull, so now it won't mess up the example. Yeah. And of course, if we reverse its polarity, it will turn it. This is the other way around. Yeah. And what does this for? This is reverse polarity. It simply reverses the polarity of the module it affects. Yeah. Alright, so now we know what all of the tools we have for this level. For other levels you may have different tools, yeah, so check out what they do first. So let's try to solve the level. Yeah, so we need to reminder to transfer the binary cell from the generator to the collector. Yeah, so we don't know how to do it, so let's try to bring it closer. Yeah, let's try to bring the binary cell closer, like, I don't know, simplest way. We can make this push-pull module to push, and then it will get here. Yeah, and then if it's here, we want to bring it close to the generator, to the collector, excuse me. So let's put another module which pushes here, and let's try it like this. Yeah, yeah, we got a little bit closer, but now we got a problem. Now we got a problem because we already used the two pushers. So we are left with this circle, with this rotator, and with this reverse polarity. How can I show you? None of them can can push the binary cell from this position to the collector. Yeah. First of all, this one, yeah, it just rotates on its in its place. It doesn't push anything from one square to another. Yeah, and this one just reverses the polarity, you see, but it doesn't move anything on the sketchboard between locations, and this circle, it cannot push the binary cell to its objective, to the collector. I'll try to show you if we, let's say, connect here, and maybe it pushes to rotates upwards. Yeah, look here, it gets stuck. It gets stuck. Also, the circle cannot push any other module through the X marked squares. Yeah, you see, it gets stuck also. And anyway, this circle cannot if the sphere. Let me remind you. If the binary cell is at this position, yeah, then this rotating one is no way to push it the one last step to the collector. Yeah. So this way we cannot solve it, but let me show you. Let me show you something. This push-pull module can also pull. It doesn't have to push. So we have two ways of getting the binary cell out of the generator. Yeah, we can push it. Yeah, like so, but we can also put it at this location. Yeah, turn it towards the generator, reverse its polarity, and then it'll pull the binary cell. Yeah, we can also do it like this. Now, but we have the circle, yeah, which can do something very interesting. The circle, yeah, it can grab a push-pull module and turn it. Yeah, it can turn it. But you can see that if we need those two locations, yeah, this is the same module type, yeah, and if we manage to use this circle to circle this push-pull module, yeah, to here, and then to here, and then to here. You see, it reaches the desired location. Yeah, and if we can do that, then we can do both these jobs, yeah, of the push-pull rotators with only one module, and then we can free this module, yeah, to sit here, yeah, and to be a puller, to pull, yeah, and then when the binary cell reaches here, this pull module will pull the binary cell from here to the collector, and we would have completed the task, yeah. All right, so let's try it out. Yeah, let's see if it works. Yeah, so this, yeah, it turns it, it turns it, it turns it. Of course it doesn't work, but let's see why it doesn't work. Let's do it again. Turn, 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 and stop it right here. Now the push-pull module under the binary cell did reach the location it should have reached, but it didn't reach it in the correct form. This location, the push-pull module number 1, should be directed upwards and push, and instead it is directed downwards and pull. Yeah, so we need to change the way, the direction and polarity of this module by the time it reaches here, in order for the process to work. Yeah, of course, luckily we have the tools to do just that. We got this one, which can turn it on its axis. We got this one, which can turn it on its axis again, and we got this one, which can reverse its polarity. Yeah. So let's put it in the locations. This the direction will turn it on its axis once. This one will turn it on its axis again, and this one will turn it on and will reverse its polarity. Yeah. Now we have to see the serial numbers that things will work in their desired order. So first, this one will push the binary cell, yeah, to this location. Second, we want this one to turn this one on its axis, but we have to do it before this one turns this one to here. Yeah. So if this one was number 1, yeah, then this one will be number 2. Yeah. Then this one will turn it here, and then we want this one to be number 4. Yeah, turns on its axis again, and by the time it reaches here, we want the reverse polarity to reverse its polarity to push mode. Yeah, so that it reaches here facing up and in push mode. Yeah, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this one should be number 5, of course, because the last one, if everything worked correctly and this one got here and pushed the binary cell from here to here, yeah, then the last one should be this one's number 6, which will pull the binary cell from here to the collector, thus completing the task. Alright, so let's try to see if it works. This one pulls, this one turns it, it turns on its axis, turns it, reverses its polarity, gets there, pushes it, and watch number 6. Yeah, we got the first one. Now notice on the bottom part of the screen there's a bar with the purple line slowly filling up. It should work 4 times. 1 time already worked. Now watch the second time, number 6. Oh, we got 2. We got 2 already. By the 4th time, the mission would be completed. Also note that if we start from this position, yeah, then the first time around, the number 1 pushes, yeah. Now watch number 1. Watch what happens with number 1. The second time around, number 1 comes in reverse, and when it's come near the module 2, it takes 1 again. It really does 2 things around, yeah. One time it pushes, and the second time it goes to pull another one from the generator. I hope you got it. It's a little difficult to explain with words. I did my best. Anyway, if you didn't get it, watch it again. Anyway, you'll see on the bottom part of the screen, successfully completed, and we have completed the phase. If you like this sort of thing, you have many hours of enjoyment with this game. Really one of the best puzzles I played in a long time, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It's actually my first video on YouTube. I guess I'm supposed to say hit the like button and subscribe. And cheers, and see you the next time. Peace.